lockdown day 8 and we are back with another video. So today we are going to create or make some birthday or party decoration items. So my son is going to be 6 months old very soon, and because of the lockdown I'm not able to order any supplies to decorate the house. So I thought, why not just build or just create some wall hangings and decorate the house with that. So without further ado, let's start. For this you need scissor, a pencil, some thread, some papers and something to embellish. So I'm going to use this old Rakhi and take out the individual beads. So let's start. So how you have to do is, basically we are making it in the shape of heart. So that's what I had done. So what I had done was I had folded it down like this and then drew a pattern like this and then cut it. So when you cut this, you get a heart. So this serves two purposes. One is that you don't have to cut it like this, and it's a little tedious, and you can use multiple layers, so you can cut more hearts in less number of time. So this is what I have done here as well. So let me just show you by cutting one. You can cut in different shapes, different sizes as well. So I chose heart and different sizes of heart as well. So once you get the shapes, so here it is, you got hearts, you got 3. Okay, so now you have multiple options how you want to do. So one option is that you can paste 3 hearts together. So let's say, what color should I choose? Let's choose red. So this one. So what you have to do is just fold this in half, fold this in half, fold this in half. Now take one leaf like this, apply some glue on both the sides, paste this one on one side and this one, another heart on another side like this. So you got a 3D heart like this. So you can make different colors of heart and different sizes of heart like this. So I already made few, like I made these ones. So this is a bigger shape, this is a little smaller, and this is even more smaller, and this is the smallest. So now what we can do is, let's take some thread and start pasting. So you can open it a little, apply a little bit glue here. So this one is one. Then similarly you can paste this one. I had colored paper, so I use colored paper, but you can very well use newspaper. These flowers or these 3D hearts, whatever you want to call them, they turn out very nicely in newspaper as well. So once you're happy with the length of the hanging, you can just leave some thread for hanging purposes and cut it. Also, if you see, it will be something like this. Isn't it pretty? So when you hang it in the air, it should go like this. So now what I'm going to do is, since it's very lightweight, so I'm going to put a bead at the end so that it adds some weight and it holds the entire thing down. So for that I'm just going to break this Rakhi. You can use some pearls if you have, or any embellishments for that matter. You can just cut this extra thread. And there you go. Your one wall hanging is ready. Now the second option is that you can just arrange the hearts plain, like just keep this one, then you can use same color like all the orange ones with different shapes like this, and then tie a thread, or you can use mix and match. What I did was, since it's my son's birthday, I wanted to use blue color, so I had some three colors of blue, one light blue, then even lighter, and I had one more which is a darker shade of blue. So you can see here this shade. I traced the pattern. Let's just quickly cut it. It is a good idea to use some stapler or paper clips so that the layers don't fall apart. So there you go, you actually got three together. So now how I arranged it was, I put the darkest one up, then the this one, light color one, small one, then the lightest, then again I will go the darkest, which is the smaller one, then light blue, and then the lightest. So now I'll just apply some glue on all of these hearts. Now take some thread. Same process, just repeat the same process. Try to maintain even distancing. It doesn't have to be very accurate, but it will look nicer if the hearts are placed equidistant. Let's just cut some thread. Again the same thing, we'll put a bead at the end to weigh the entire thing down. And here you go, one more hanging is ready. Isn't it pretty? So this way you can prepare multiple variations and multiple hangings. So I hope you like this video, and I'll be back with more decoration items in the coming days. And if you like the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. It will keep me motivated. Thank you for watching. Bye.